All right there, boys and girls, how are you doing today? We have day 18 of our daily math. So, 8 equals something minus 8. So with the minus sign right there, we know that this number has to be the big number in our fact triangle. And that means if this is our big number of that fact triangle, we know that these two numbers are both 8s. Okay? So we know that a number that would go here, minus 8 equals 8. Okay? So if we're missing the top number, what do we have to do? Yeah, missing the top number means we have to add them together. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Very good. Okay, number 2 says fill in a number to make this true. Well, 10 tens. All right, hold on. Let's look up here. 10 tens. We circled that. We know it's 100. Okay? 100 equals 10 tens. 0 plus 100. Right? A whole bunch of them. And we have all the answers are right there for us. Again, I know I've said it before, but that's one of the reasons I love this daily math, right? It's a great review. And it goes along with the other problems, which is really slick. Number 3. Taco had 35 treats in his bag. He ate some. Now there are 21. How many treats did Taco eat? So, he had 35. So we know right away that's our big number. Okay? So he had 35. Okay? He ate some. And now he has 21. Okay? So let's think of it this way. Remember, if the big number's on top, it doesn't matter which way we subtract. It's going to be the same thing, right? So again, let's go 5 minus 1, more on top. No need to stop. 3 minus 2, 14. Go. How many? We circle that next word as treats. 14 treats. Okay? That's always important. How many, right? How many? Poodle or dachshund? All right. Blank more people voted for poodle, or for dachshund, than for poodle. So let's see. We have 5, 10, 15, and one more is 16. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So how many more people voted for the dachshund rather than the poodle? So we could set it up and do it this way. 23 minus 16. 3 minus 6. There's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. Or we can also go like this. We cover up those 15 right there, and now we really have the number 8, right? We really have the number 8 versus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Same answer either way. Some people like to do it this way, some like that, okay? Circle all the odd numbers. So we know the numbers that split equally are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we know the odd numbers are the other ones, right? So we have a 3, and a 9, and a 5, and a 7. The 4 and the 8 are both even numbers. All right. Go ahead, write your score down on there. Great job, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow for day 19.